Prolific server review. I am going to give you a quick look in this video review so you can see if Prolific server site worth joining or not. I'm going to tell you a bit more about this site. I will show you around. First, I want to mention to something. I'm here on Prolific site. It's a bit different than many other server sites. It was actually started by two kids. They started this platform, but they had recruiting participants for their research. It's easy for researchers to get participants for their studies and for participants to actually get paid to participate. That means all the studies here are actually quite interesting. That's how this platform was started. So they are like academic studies and scientific study. If you like participating through modern research, for example, research for universities and for teachers, etc., that they are useful. It is not in the sense that you need to have a degree to participate. So quite relevant studies to participate in this, of course, depending on where you live. There will be quite limited survey at times. You can see once we log in. Personally, I have not received that many studies, just like demonstration studies. Basically, what you can do here, you log in, you will receive an email to see when there is a survey available, and also you will see the studies. That's basically what you can do. There is holes in about section, so they can match surveys with you. The about section is like your profile. It's just a lot of different letter profile survey, so they can match survey with you. There is some basic demonstration variables and languages, physical health, but this is not something to get paid for, and all this you can fill out it to fill out your profile to potentially qualify from our surveys. Current accountant, that's where you can see how much you have on your account, how much you need to earn to get paid is £5. It is not very high, but as I mentioned, it's not a huge amount of survey. You will get very simple, very easy to use. It can still take quite a bit of time to get there. This is basically what you can do is here. We can then go into the account settings and choose your payout methods on your account. You can get paid in cash through PayPal. Personally, I think this is a great way to get paid. It will not give you a huge amount of surveys. It depends on the country level. Also, it depends on what current researchers are looking for. It's available in more than 30 countries. It's continuously, so it can be worth signing up for and earn money online. It's not a huge amount you will get, but I want you to take a look here. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.